You've been asking for a while for a slow tutorial on how to enable Instagram product tagging step by step. So here it is. Hi everyone, I'm Lydia, and on this channel we talk about how to make money online with social media and how to earn more with a small audience. And in today's video, I'm going to do a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable Instagram product tagging for your account and how to get shoppable posts and a shoppable feed on Instagram. I have a bunch of other videos on this topic, but this video is going to be a step-by-step version on how exactly to enable Instagram product tagging on your account, and it is going to be a slow version. Every single one of you guys can catch up with me and do the settings as I do them as well. So Instagram product tagging will allow you to tag products in your posts and in your stories on Instagram. But how do you actually get approved? The first thing you need to keep in mind is that you will need two things to get this done. The first thing is an Instagram business account, and the next thing is a Facebook account, a Facebook page, and Facebook Business Manager as well. If you don't have a Facebook Business Manager yet, here is how to create one. So to create a Facebook Business Manager account, you'll have to go to business.facebook.com while signed out of your Facebook account. Whilst there, click Create a New Business. Add all the necessary information there and click Create. Your Instagram account must be a business account, so here is how to turn your Instagram account into a business one. To turn your Instagram account from personal to business, go to your Instagram account on your phone, click Settings, Account, switch to Professional Account, pick the business option, then pick the shopping and retail category and connect a Facebook page or create a brand new one with the same category. You'll be asked to add your business's information, so make sure you do that too. The first thing you need when enabling Instagram product tagging for your account is for you to have a catalog, a product catalog in your business manager where you're adding your products. So here is how you can add products to your catalog and actually create a catalog from scratch. To create a catalog for your products in Facebook Business Manager, go to Settings, Catalogs Manager, and on the top right corner, click Create a New Catalog. From there, you'll be asked to add a category, pick e-commerce, and add the business that owns that catalog. Once created, go to Complete Setup, select Instagram Shopping, and click Add Products. From there, you can choose which way you want to use to add the products. I usually go for adding them manually because it ensures that no errors will come up. After you've done that, you must have a Facebook page for your business that is in the shopping and retail area. So if you already have a page and you're reapplying for this feature, make sure to create a brand new page. But here is how to create a Facebook page for your business, one that will most likely be approved for product tagging. So to make sure your Facebook page will be okay for connecting to your Instagram account, it must be in the shopping and retail category. It must have the Shop Now button optimized. And to do that, click on the button and edit it. While doing that, make sure you select the Shop Now option and shop on website. After you've added your products to the catalog and after you've created your Facebook page, there are two ways in which you can sign up for Instagram shopping. The first way is from your Instagram account, and here is what you need to do to sign up for shopping from your Instagram account. To sign up for shopping from your Instagram account, go to your Instagram account settings and business, then click Sign Up for Shopping. From there, you'll be asked to submit your catalog for review, so go ahead and click Submit for Review. The second way, which is where you can also see your review process and if you've been approved or not, is from your Facebook Business Manager. So here's how to apply for Instagram product tagging from your Facebook Business Manager. To do this from your Facebook Business Manager, simply go to your catalogs, Complete Setup, Instagram Shopping, and Connect Profile. Enter your details and sign in. Once your account will be added there, click Submit for Review and connect it as well. This is also where you'll be able to come back and check the status of your application and if you've been approved or not and the reason why. Once you've done that, your account will be in review and it will take from a few hours to 2 weeks for Instagram to review your account and to see if you're approved or not for this feature. Once you are approved, you will be receiving a notification such as this one on your Instagram account. The notification you will get on your Instagram account will say start tagging product when you will be approved, and it will look something like this. And you'll be able to go and connect your catalog to your Instagram account and to start tagging products. Here is how you connect the right catalog to your Instagram account. To connect a catalog to your Instagram account after being approved, you'll have to go to your Instagram settings, business, shopping, and select the catalog you want to tag products from, then save. After you've done that, you'll be able to start tagging products in posts, and if you don't know how to do that, here is how to tag products in your Instagram posts. To tag products in posts, simply go to the post and click the 3 little dots in the top right corner. Click Edit, Tag Products, click anywhere on the image and select a product from the catalog that you want to tag. It's okay if the product says in review for a while, the price will show up soon. You can also tag products right when you are posting an image on Instagram, and you'll find the tag products option right below the space for the caption. And here is how to add a story and to tag products in that story as well. Tagging products in stories is no different. You go to add a story and then select the product sticker. You can also search for it in the stickers. You select the product you want to tag and then move the sticker around to where you want to position it. One thing that you should keep in mind and that is different from tagging products in stories though, is that you can only tag 1 product in a story and up to 5 products in an Instagram post. Also, once a story is posted, you can no longer edit it and tag the product in it, but with the post, you can easily go back to the post and untag or tag a product or add more products. If you want to see more videos on this topic, I have a bunch of them. This is one on how to master Facebook Business Manager, how to create a Business Manager account, and the backstage of what is going on when enable Instagram product tagging. This is one on how to reapply. This is one on errors that can come up when enabling Instagram product tagging and how to fix them. And this is one with a bunch of your questions on Instagram product tagging that I've answered. So if you want to watch these videos and get more information on how you can enable this feature successfully, make sure to watch these videos by clicking the link below that will lead you to a playlist with all of these videos. I hope this video was a lot slower than the last one. It lasts longer and I've talked about the things that I've mentioned in that video more in depth in this one. So I hope this video helped you out. Catch up with me and actually do the settings as I do them and pause when you needed to pause. For my last video, I was not trying to hurry up. I was not trying to make you guys not understand. This is just the way I talk fast, so this is how I create my videos, but I heard you, and from now on when I'm explaining something thoroughly, I will do it a lot slower. So thank you so much for all of your feedback on that video and on all my videos that you're providing. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe for more such videos every single week, and press the bell to be notified when I upload. Thank you again for being here, and I hope to see you in my next one.